So you know it's going to be a good job when you got a bobcat on site. So this one we've got collapsed drains. Customers found this up. They had a new electrical point put in and they found out the drains had actually collapsed underneath the house. So they give us a call and said, what can you do about it? To be honest with you, I've never done underground drains like this. My mate Wayne, you can see there, grafting in the background, he's done plenty of drains. So I give him a call, says, fancy some collapsed drains. I'll get a bobcat for you. He's like, let me at it. So I'm going to show you how we dig out and sort out these collapsed drains. Let's get to it. Here is where they found the collapsed drain. So they've had this new electrical box put in. It's a bit, I don't want to fall. And right underneath there, I'll probably get a better shot later, is the cast iron stack. So everything that's been going in that stack has just been coming out underneath the house. Now that runs from there all the way across to the manhole just there. So they've had some quotes and they said, yeah, we're going to take all your porch out, we're going to dig up all this. Not good. So what we're thinking about doing is getting onto that stack and bringing it out, avoiding that obviously. And there is another manhole cover, if I can get to it, just found here. Now this was put in when the extension was done around the side for another toilet. So we're hoping we can connect onto it, because you can see there, that goes straight to there. So we're hoping we can pick up onto it there. So can you see that one there? That's the one we're thinking about getting onto. Obviously we're going to use the bobcat digger, and hopefully we don't go through a gas pipe or electrical pipe, because if that happens it's going to cost us fares. And one mistake with this and it's going to cost us a lot of money. So let's get to it. So this is where the drain's collapsed. Let me just get in there. There you go, right on the elbow there. You can see everything's just been, yeah, it's knackered the footings up as well. Look at that. Yeah, not good. Not good at all. Now I've never driven a bobcat before, ever. So let's have a go. I'm well excited for this. Come on. Come on, what does that do? Oh, right, you gotta put the arm down first. There we go. Oh! So, backwards, forwards, left, right, and... okay, I think I can get used to this. So I'm taking this just to move forwards and backwards. Left and right is scooping. So it's not that bad. I remember using one of these as a kid. That's some photo of the family. Oh, we got a horn. Is that a horn or a light? I don't know. This is exciting. I'm like a big kid now. Whee!
Apprentice's first day on the job.
So it is a little bit tricky to get used to using the bobcat. So I'm just going to let Wayne have a go. It's the first ever time I've tried one of them. Basically it's like one of them toys that you had as a kid. You just put it in and scoop down. There you go. Wayne's getting a lot more than I was. I was getting half buckets, I was. He's got a full bucket. Been here all day if it was for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna let Wayne have a go. So we're going to dig it all out. Let me show you where we're going to dig. The idea is we're going to dig out a trench here. So we have to take out these here so we can get the bobcat over the drain. We've got to be careful now because you can see the mains there. We've got the electrical mains and the gas mains. I'm in Wayne's Way now. So yeah, we really don't want to be hitting them. I think that mains though goes that way and onto the driveway. I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll just keep digging and see how we get on. I don't think that bush is going to survive. So just an update. There's your gas, there's your electric. We managed to dig him out, and there's the water. So we know now we've got to avoid them three. So now we've got the bobcat on. We know where the electric is. We can just dig right down. We're going to dig a channel right to there. Yeah, you got the roots there, mate. Right, a lot you can do. This is why we got the digger. It's just clay. As further you go down, you can see it's clay. Doing it by hand would have been a nightmare. Yeah, let's get there, see if we get the shovel. Then we get in there, wang it out. There we go. Bloody hell. It is hard doing it one-handed, trying to film for YouTube. I'll get out of the way before you needs me. There we go. Now, if you're wondering what this ditch is actually doing here, the customer already got a company in, and this is what they managed to achieve in 2 hours with that shovel. They actually left the shovel, so fair play to them. I've got a new shovel now off them, so I think now I'm just going to try and attach into there. So I dug down. 2-3 hours later, I only done that. I was like, yeah, we'll come back. Never come back. Never come back. And that's why the customer give us a call. I say we've done that in about 15-20 minutes. That trench there. So it's well worth hiring this for a couple of days just to get this done. I don't think that tree's going to survive though. I think them roots are going to have to come out. Right, first snag. We thought that was a root. It isn't. It's a rainwater pipe. So we'll have to dig by hand now around this. This is connected off to there. So yeah, we don't expect that to be there. We thought that would have gone straight to there, but obviously it doesn't. So yeah, let's hand dig this out and see what's going on. Well, what I don't want to do now is smash up this rainwater. There we go. That down. I've got to remember how to do this now. I'm useless at this. Right. There we go. Get that over there. Arm up. Extend out. Dump. Right, you make this look so easy, mate. Fill the drain with soil. Brilliant. I can dig that out, don't worry. Not bad for the first time on a bobcat, but yeah, that's a bit annoying having it that there, but we've done that. I'll make it in there, clean it out. So we have had to resort to hand digging now because I'm too close to there. The soil just keeps going to there. I've just had to put my rubbers on and get all the dirt out of there. So yeah, I'm going to hand dig this out, see what depth we've got. I'm hoping we can get under that storm drain there. Hopefully. I am lucky with a smash straight through that, but yeah, just going to hand dig this section out. I'd say we've been on this now about an hour. About an hour. That took them about 3 hours to do that. An hour. Well, worth the money that was. I think that cost us £225 for 2 days with the fuel. Bargain. Absolute bargain. So I better stop recording and get to work. Now Wayne's got the right idea. He's got his big wellies on there. I have got my big boots on. Now you've probably seen I've promoted these in the past. These are my Monka boots. And I've had these now 8 months. Still waterproof. Still sound. I know I look a bit shabby, but when I polish them up, they look sound. So I'd really recommend them. Yeah, there is a link in the bio if you want 10% off them. Not bad them ages. But I should have bought me wellies today. Wayne knows. But yeah, let's get this dug out by hand and see where we lie from there. So I'm pretty sure this is taking longer than when we was using the Bobcat, but we ain't got a choice, so we just got to keep digging away. And we've got two different types of shovel. We've got that one there, it's a grafter, that'll just, poof, you can smack that down, break up the clay, which is, honestly, it's like it's in concrete. Then we got the bigger shovel there to scoop it out, and that's the one that they left when they started digging that trench up, so that's my new shovel now. Happy days. But yeah, this is hard work. To be fair, the weather ain't too bad. Yesterday it was peeing it down, so I'd rather have a little bit of heat than working in the sodding rain. Right, back in with the digger. We can see where we're going now. So Wayne's going to be extra gentle. He's a lot better with it than me. So he's just going to try and scoop this out without hitting the drain. That's it, you got it, mate. There we go. He's honestly digging up that clay, he's back breaking. Really is, it's rock solid. That tree I survived, neither that's gone. You do have to be very careful. We don't want to damage that pipe, we don't want to damage that. I mean, if that were there, it'd be a lot easier, but it is. These things happen in plumbing, things get in your way, so just gotta learn to adapt and overcome. Okay, gentle Wayne's been. Look at that. Beautiful. He's going so well. Oh well. Then we got a tree to get out of the bloody trench. Right, we've got to get in there now and hand dig it. There's only room for one though, ain't there? Is there? No.
No.
I'll get in there. Or not. Yeah, we've got to try and dig through underneath here now. Oh, it's going to be a bit difficult. It is rock solid, this is. Absolutely rock solid clay. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Oh, this is. Yeah. Are you through? Yeah, our shovel's a bit better than mine, mate. I'll just stand here and look pretty. Oh, what? Please. Hard to get this out, though. Digging by hand is not the one. So what we're doing now is working out our levels. Wayne's just measuring from the top of the manhole to where the blank is, just underneath there. Just there.
260.
260 there. You see over here. Let's watch me step. We've got a laser level there. We've got there.
Yeah, perfect. 200.
200. So we've got 60mm drop. Okay, so we've dug enough now of a trench to get in there. We have gone below that blank there, so what we're going to do is fill this back with pea gravel. The water main there, that will lift up. The mains electric, that's flexible. The only one that isn't flexible is that gas pipe, and look where it is, right where we want to go, but we should be able to get around that. Right, so now we've dug enough out. You can see here we've got the pea gravel in there. Just be using the Bobcat to dig it out. I've nearly tipped the bag over though. I am getting used to it though. So what we're going to do now is take the blank out, get a piece of soil from there into here and just see where we stand. We have got a problem with that though. We haven't got a breaker on us. We've got to try and break out that concrete, which is going to be an absolute pain, but it is what it is. We're just going to get a piece of pipe, lay it and see where we stand. Right, so we've got the bench to get the pipe underneath. I had to feed it through there and back through here. I'm just going to get this cap off, which needs a bit of gentle persuasion. There we go. There's the blanking cap off. What we can do now is get some grease. Grease him up. The seal's already in there. Where to put the grease? Oh well, some lubricating gel. There we go, 2 fingers should be enough. Get that in there. There we go. Never have too much lubrication, lads. There we go. So, make sure that's well lubricated. That's already chamfered because it's a new piece of pipe. Now we try line it up, try not to fall over. try and get that in there. Now, if I go down here, Wayne, do you want to? Oh, do you want to go down there? Give him a push. Okay, right. Push his peak. Oh, actually move down. Oh, straight in, mate. Straight. What did you have, didn't it? That was amazing, Wayne. That just went straight in. Fair play. Yeah, pea gravel all underneath there. That should give us a good fall on. Man, that is quite a hefty fall, eh? Might take some of this pea gravel out down here, just to, we can just dig underneath with our hands. Because at the moment, the angle of that ain't right. Well, this is what we look like inside. This is the old stack here. So what we think, we always think about cutting it up here on the top or below.
Just break the coupler off and the end will be open anyway, won't it?
Yeah, so break this off. We're going to have to take the framework out here, beading off here, and somehow we've got to break through the wall there. But these all electrical cables and everything that run through there. I have bought a new toy to have a go at this. I've got a new reciprocator with the metal blades, so I'm hoping we can get in there, cut it off, use reciprocator as well, just to cut down here. Try and get this old one out. Give you, in relation to where we're working outside, that's the stack there. That's where we've been working. So I'm hoping to come across here, get a new bit of saw pipe in there. And so the one at the moment, it runs that way. You can see there, that's the manhole cover there. So we just put that pipe and just got to see now how we get in underneath there.